Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the map navigation on your Kia Cerato 2019. Now by default your car does not have a map navigation, so in order for you to use maps you need to connect to an Android phone or you need to connect to an iPhone for the Apple CarPlay. So let's first take a look at the Android phone. Now to use Android Auto, we need to connect to the USB cable. It has to be connected with a USB cable. If you don't use the USB cable, it will not work. So now I'm going to connect the USB cable. Now once you connect the USB cables on your device, it will show Android Auto. So you tap on that. And then from here, you can choose where you want to go. You can tap on map. And then you can choose a destination that you have gone before, or you can search in the destination, so you can key in, or you can key in a locations, so you can put in say a location that you want to go to, City Beach for example, city of Fremantle. So you tap on that and then you tap on the navigate button, and from there you can off you go. So that's quite straightforward. So that's how you can use Android Auto. You can also pinpoint on the map, so you can drag the map and then you just pinpoint where you want to go. So you can look on the map here and then say you want to go to this place, Joondalup City. So I just pinpoint, drop a pin right there and then tap on the navigate button or the start button, and then that's it. So that's how I can use the maps on my car, on the Kia Cerato 2019. So this is for the Android Auto, which connects to an Android phone. Next we're going to take a look at how you can set up your iPhone. Okay, on the iPhone, again you need to connect with the USB cable or the lightning cable to the USB port right here. So make sure it is connected. Then on your display you want to press on the setup button, then tap on Bluetooth and make sure you tap on Bluetooth connections. Now make sure that your iPhone is connected. At the moment it's connected to my Android phone, so I'm going to connect to the iPhone now, and then it says device is already connected, so I'm going to disconnect the other one so that I can connect to my iPhone. So now it will try to connect to the iPhone, so we're just going to wait. So trying to connect to my broken iPhone. So the broken iPhone is connected. Okay, that's fine. So I'm going to press on the home key down here, and still it's got no Apple CarPlay yet. So you can see it's got Apple CarPlay, but it's not enabled. So when that happens, what you need to do is disconnect the cable and try to connect it again. Okay, when I just disconnect and connect, it asks me to give permission. I'm going to tap on allow, and here you can see on my device here on the display I've got Apple CarPlay. So you tap on that and it says CarPlay not available. To use CarPlay, enable Siri on the settings app on your iPhone. Okay, so I will enable Siri like they ask. Okay, so there it is. So here we got the maps on Apple CarPlay, and so again you can type in navigations. You got music. You also got messages once you have connected to Apple CarPlay. And then if you want, you can just pinpoint where you want to go, and then you can just start the navigations, and that's quite straightforward. You can also tap on the search button to search for nearbys, or you can also use the microphone and navigate to the place, or you can use the keyboard. So you tap on the keyboard, you can type it in Fremantle. So just wait for that to close. Fremantle, WA, Australia, and again, so we can use that. So I'm just going to tap on OK, and then you can tap on the go button.
Starting route to Fremantle.
So I'm just going to disconnect now.
Head west on Markham Way, then.
Okay, so that's how you can use maps navigation for your Kia Cerato 2019, either with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, sorry. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.